All, welcome to Programmers World. Myself Harish. If you are first time watching the videos in our channel, then I will give a short intro of it. So this channel completely deals with learning programming languages simple and efficiently. So if you are here to learn various programming languages in simple and efficient way, do subscribe to our channel and watch the videos and enjoy it. So let's get into the video. So in the last video we started with the set data type and we saw some of the inbuilt functions that are available in set data type to work on it. So in this video what we are going to see is some of the mathematical operations that is allowed in set data type, and then we are going to see some two sample programs also to illustrate the set data type much better. Okay, so what are all the mathematical operations that are supported in sets are union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. We'll see one by one. So the union, in general in mathematics, union what it does is it combines the elements from two sets. So similar to mathematics, in the Python programming also, the union operation, the union method, what it does is to return all the elements present in both the sets. It returns all the elements present in both the sets. So how we can do is x dot union of y. So here x and y are two different sets. We can use like this, or else x single pipeline operator y, like this also we can give. So I'll just show it. So I'm declaring a set x equal to 10, 20, 30, and I am having a set y equal to 40, 50, 60. So x dot union of y will be returning 50, 20, 40, 10, 60, 30. Insertion order is not preserved, so we can get in any random order. I can give like this, or else x, the pipeline operator y, like this also I can give. So in the both values I can give. So this is the purpose of the union operation. And the next mathematical operation that can be performed is the intersection. So the purpose of this intersection is, what it does is the common elements that is present in both the sets, returns the common elements present in both the sets. So the method used is intersection, x dot intersection of y, x and y are two sets, or else we can use x and the symbol and y. So like that. So I'll just show it. So I am having two sets x equal to 10. So I will add y dot add of 30. So I am adding this. So now y contains 40, 50, 60, 30. Now x dot intersection of y. So what it will be returning? 30 alone. Why? Between both the sets, only 30 is the element that is present in both the sets. Like we can do like this, or else x and y. Like this also we can give. So this is the functionality of intersection. And the next operation that can be performed is the difference operation. So this difference operation is nothing but what it does is returns the elements present in x but not in y. So if we give x dot difference of y, so it would be returning the elements that are present in x, but those elements should not be present in y. We can give like this, we can use the difference method, or else we can give x minus y. So I'll just show it. So we are having two sets. So here if I give x dot difference of y, then what I will be getting, the x contains 10, 20, 30, y contains 40, 50, 60, 30. So 10, 20 alone would be returning because 30 is present in y. So the elements that are present in x but not in y, those elements would be returned. We can give like this, or else x minus y, like this also we can give. We can give y dot difference of x, like this also we can give. When you give like this, the output that will be getting is 40, 50, 60, and 30 is already present in x, so 30 will not be coming. So this is the purpose of difference method. And the last mathematical operation method that we are having is symmetric difference. So what is the purpose of this symmetric differences? It would be returning the elements present in either x or y, but not in both. So what I'm trying to say is, okay, let me have an example. I will illustrate with the example. So what I'm having in x, I'm having 10, 20, 30. What I'm having in y, 40, 50, 60, 30. When I give x dot symmetric difference underscore difference of y, what this will do is, it would return the elements in x or y, but not in both. So the element that is present in both is only 30. So ignoring the 30, the remaining set of elements should be returned. Okay, so what I said is, so in the both the elements 30 is present. So in the both the set, when 30 is present, that element will not be returned, but remaining 10, 20 is present in x but not in y. So 10, 20 will be returned, and 40, 50, 60 are present in y but not present in 30. So we will be getting 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, but we will not be getting 30. Why? Because 30 is present in both the sets. So the symmetric difference would be returning the elements that are present either in x or y, but not in both. So we can give, say, x dot symmetric difference, or else we can give x the power operator y. So like this also we can give. So this is the purpose of symmetric difference. And then we are having the membership operators in and not in. That one also we can give. Suppose 10 in y, that would be returning false. 10 not in y, that would be returning true. 10 in x, the x contains the set element 10. So this membership operator also we can use. And the next thing, the comprehension, regarding the comprehension list tuple, we said in tuple list tuple comprehension is not allowed, which means it returns the generator object, whereas in list it is allowed, and in set also it is allowed. So if I give s equal to x, I will give square into 2 for x in range of 10. So if I try to get the type of s, it is of set only. So this is the comprehension, compacting the elements like that. So I have given the expression for the condition. I am iterating an element. I am giving a collection of range. So when I print the value of s, I will be getting the squares 0, 1, 64, x into 2. So like that I have given 4, 36. So I will be getting in random order. So 0, 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. So like this I will be getting it. So this is the purpose of using the set comprehension. Now I will be illustrating two sample programs for set. So the first sample program is, I will be giving some elements in the list and I want to eliminate the duplicates and print the elements. So suppose I am having a list L equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 30, 60. So this is my list. So here 10 and 20 are 10 and 30 are duplicated elements, but in set duplicates are not allowed. So how I can remove the duplicates from this list is, there are two approaches. I will show the first approach. First approach is, I will declare the result set where I would not be having the duplicate elements. So s equal to, initially I will be creating an empty set. In this set only I am going to insert the elements. To insert it, to create an empty set, as I said, we cannot give directly like this. It would be taking of type dictionary. So to create an empty set, we need to use the set function. Inside this we can give any data type. I will be giving a list, empty list. Okay. Now for x in L. So I am iterating the list. If inside for loop I am having an if condition, if x not in L, sorry, not in S. So what I will be doing, I will be adding S dot add of x. Then finally I will be printing S. So this is simple program. What I have done is I am having a list. So I am creating an empty result set S. So I am iterating each element of a list, and that I am checking whether the element that is coming inside the iteration is not present in S. If it is not present in S, then I would be adding. If it is present in the set, then I would be just skipping this if condition. So in the first iteration 10, 20, 30, 40, 10 will be coming and 20, 30 followed 40, and when it comes to again 10, the x not in S, so 10 not in S, this would be returning false because 10 is already present in the set. So it will not be getting added again. So I'll just save this code and run it. So py test.py. So we get 40, 10, 20, 60, 30. The duplicates are eliminated. So this is one approach. And another approach is very simply what we can do is S equal to, instead of using these for loop and all, in the set function itself, it inbuiltly takes care of. So I have given set of L. So what you to do the set function, it not only converts this list data type object to set data type object, it also removes the duplicates. So I'll just save this code and run it. So you can see 40, 10, 20, 60, 30. The 10 and 20 are not duplicated. So in this approach also we can remove the duplicates of a collection, either list or range, with the help of set function. So this is one sample program, and another sample program that I wanted to show using set data type is I would be giving a string and I want to identify the list of vowels present inside the string that I am giving. Okay, so A equal to input enter any string. So I'll be getting the string. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be declaring the list of vowels. So V equal to the set A comma E comma I comma O comma U. So I have declared the set. Now what I will be doing, so okay, S equal to, what I do here is set of A. I will print S for your reference, and then now what I will be doing is print S dot intersection of V. So this program is also simple. I am getting an input from the string. I am declaring a set of vowels. By default these are all the set of vowels, I know it. So I have declared the set of vowels to the variable V. Now what I have done is I am using the set inbuilt function. I am converting this string, the string that we are going to give, into a set data type. So this string would be converted to a set data type. How means each index element would be typecasted. So each index element would be printed as a separate element in the set. So I have printed S, so you will be understanding it. So and then what I have done is I have used the mathematical operation intersection. So what this intersection would be doing, I have given two sets S and V. So the elements present in common in S and V would be printing out. So I'll just save it and run the code. Enter any string. Arish. So I get, how I get is A, S, H or I. So the characters are splitted up individually. So it gets splitted up individually this is the S element, and S dot intersection of V. So the elements common in both the thing S and V are A and I. A and I alone, S, H and R is not present in this set, S, H and R. So those are not printed, only IA is printed. Okay, it's not that we need to give only one word, we can give multiple words. So Harish is a programmer. So in that case, even spaces will be ignored, and as we are using set operation, the set inbuilt method, there are multiple spaces and I is multiple, A is multiple, R is multiple, M is, so those and all will not be coming, it would be coming only once. The set would be by default removing the duplicates, and then we get the list of vowels present in it. So this is the sample program that I wanted to illustrate about the set data type. So with this we are coming to an end to the set data type. I hope you would have liked this video. Do watch our videos regularly and do subscribe to our channel and keep enjoying. Thank you.